Well, hi. I didn't see you there. My name is Brian Bluebird McChuggins. I play basketball on a daily basis, and I feel like I have grown some techniques and some playbooks that might come in handy to you folks. Now, this is a small teaser trailer with some of the techniques that I teach in my course, and I wanted to show you guys just to see how complicated and how driven you must be to play the game of basketball. Some of these, and some of these. So sit back and enjoy Brian Bluebird McChuggins' basketball techniques.
Cue tracks. Cue tracks.